Hello and welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see an interesting and delicious Mexican salad recipe, and it's grilled veggie fajita salad. This salad is an easy low-carb meal loaded with stir-fry veggies and grilled cottage cheese. Sit atop crisp lettuce with a flavorful dressing which makes it so very delicious. So let's get started with this low-carb and keto-friendly salad recipe. So for my veggie fajita salad, I have taken here 200 grams of cottage cheese cut into medium portions like this. Then here I have taken some colorful veggies, some green bell peppers, yellow bell peppers cut into thin long strips, as well as red bell peppers and onion cut into thin long juliennes like this. And now we should prepare a flavorful salad dressing. For that, take a bowl and into it goes 1/4 cup of olive oil. Next goes the juice of half a lemon. For seasoning goes some salt as per taste. Half teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Half teaspoon of smoked paprika powder. And 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. We'll mix this well so that all the ingredients are well combined. And our flavorful salad dressing is ready. We will now generously add the prepared salad dressing over the cottage cheese. Now let's rub the dressing over the cottage cheese so that they are coated well with the flavorful salad dressing. And we'll let them rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Next, we'll heat a grill pan, and when the pan is hot enough, we will place the marinated cottage cheese or paneer into the grill pan. We'll keep the flame on medium. We'll brush the marination sauce in between so that the cottage cheese doesn't dries out and stick to the pan. And after about 1 to 2 minutes, we will flip the cottage cheese or paneer one by one. You can see these lovely grill marks on them. We'll now grill for another 1 minute so that the other side is grilled as well. And by now our cottage cheese or paneer is grilled well from both the sides. So we'll take them off and keep them aside in a plate. And now in the same grill pan, we will add the bell peppers and onion juliennes and drizzle some of the prepared dressing over the veggies. And now on medium to high flame, we will quickly give this a stir. Remember not to overcook them as we want to retain their crunch. Alright, this is done, and now time to assemble our salad. So first we will place some roughly chopped lettuce to form the base of our salad. I have used here iceberg lettuce. I'll drizzle a few drops of the salad dressing over the lettuce. And on top of the crisp lettuce goes the stir-fried bell peppers and onions. And finally, we will randomly place the grilled cottage cheese to complete our grilled veggie fajita salad. So friends, I hope you will try this healthy and delicious low-carb, high-protein salad recipe, which is also keto-friendly. Also, I would love to hear your feedbacks, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and healthy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye-bye, take care and stay safe.